Gentlemen, let me ask you something real. What if I told you that the secret to reviving your strength, rebuilding your confidence, and restoring the power you thought was gone forever is not in some expensive pill? It's probably already sitting in your kitchen right now. I am talking about something you have used your whole life: baking soda. Yes, that plain white powder for baking and cleaning. But here's the shocker: when combined with the right natural ingredients, it can boost energy, circulation, and intimacy so effectively that some men notice results in as little as 20 minutes. I am Dr. Jackson, professor of urology and men's health specialist for over 30 years. I have spent my career helping men over 60 protect their prostate, rebuild vitality, and get back the intimacy they thought was gone for good. And today I am going to reveal 5 powerful formulas, simple natural mixtures you can make at home that can change the way you feel and perform. But before we dive in, do me a quick favor. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss my weekly men's health tips. And if you find this video helpful, type yes in the comments. If not, type no so I know how to improve future content for you. All right, let's get into it. Formula number 1, baking soda plus lemon juice. This one surprises almost every patient I share it with. By mixing half a teaspoon of baking soda in warm water with the juice of half a lemon, you create a natural booster that balances acidity, clears blood vessels, and supports stronger, healthier erections within minutes. I will never forget Richard, a patient in his late 60s, who doubted it could work. A week later, he called me, excited. "Doctor, I feel lighter, more alive, and yes, more like the man I used to be." Remember, erections are all about blood flow. Lemon juice improves nitric oxide, baking soda reduces hidden acidity, and together they give circulation the push it needs. Formula number 2, baking soda plus beet juice. Beets are nature's nitric oxide powerhouse. They relax blood vessels and allow more blood to flow where you need it most. Add half a teaspoon of baking soda and beet juice, and you supercharge the effect by keeping those vessels open and responsive. One patient, Michael, laughed when I suggested beets. Days later, he called back amazed. "Doctor, I felt like I was 20 years younger. All it takes is juicing one medium beet, mixing it with baking soda, and drinking it about an hour before intimacy." Formula number 3, baking soda plus warm milk and honey. Not every solution is about firepower. Sometimes, what men need most is calm confidence. Warm milk with a teaspoon of honey and a pinch of baking soda creates a soothing yet energizing drink. It relaxes your nerves, eases stress, and restores focus because, let's be honest, anxiety and overthinking can kill performance faster than anything else. Thomas, a 72-year-old patient, told me after trying it, "Doctor, for the first time in years, I was not tense. I just enjoyed the moment and everything worked." Formula number 4, baking soda plus ginger tea. Now we add some spice. Ginger has been used for centuries as a natural stimulant that boosts circulation and energy. Combine it with baking soda, and you get a powerful, steady flame warmth and vitality without the crash. One patient, Daniel, described it as fire and calm all in one. Just simmer fresh ginger in hot water, add baking soda, sip slowly, and let the warmth flow through your body. Formula number 5, baking soda plus pomegranate juice. And here's the crown jewel. Pomegranate is loaded with antioxidants that keep your blood vessels flexible and strong, the foundation of firm, lasting erections. Mix a glass of unsweetened pomegranate juice with half a teaspoon of baking soda about 45 minutes before intimacy. George, a 70-years-old patient, returned to my office with tears in his eyes after trying this. "Doctor," he said, "I feel like I got my manhood back." This is not just about physical performance. It's about pride, passion, and reconnecting with yourself and your partner. So there you have it, 5 simple formulas hiding in your kitchen. Lemon for cleansing, beets for turbocharged blood flow, milk and honey for calm strength, ginger for fiery vitality, pomegranate for passion and power. Men your age doesn't define your vitality. Pills aren't the only answer. Nature has already provided what your body needs, you just need to use it. If this video inspired you, hit that like button and share it with a friend who could use the boost. And don't forget to subscribe for more natural men's health strategies every week. Remember, the best years of your strength and intimacy don't have to be behind you. With the right tools, they can be right in front of you.